Welcome back. Tejpal's interim bail has been extended till June 27. The Supreme Court on Tuesday extended the interim bail so that Tejpal could attend some of the rituals related to his mother's death. The court reprimanded Goa police over the red tape that had forced Tejpal to miss his mother's funeral. Earlier, court had granted interim bail to Tejpal to perform final rites of his deceased mother.
The Supreme Court on Tuesday extended Tarun Tejpal's interim bail till June 27. He sought an extension of 6 weeks as he had to perform some rituals connected with his mother's death, who passed away last month. While extending the duration of the interim bail, the apex court brushed aside the Goa government's objection to Tejpal's plea for extension of the interim bail. The court also reprimanded Goa police over the red tape that had forced Tejpal to miss his mother's funeral. On May 19, the apex court granted Tejpal 3 weeks interim bail so that he could carry out the last rites and other rituals of his mother. He was charged on February 18th with rape, sexual harassment and outraging the modesty of his colleague. Tejpal was arrested on November 30, 2013. Earlier, the court has granted permission to Tejpal twice to meet his ailing mother. Bureau Report, Prudent.
State government has decided to organize road shows in Europe, appealing people to come for St. Francis Xavier Exposition scheduled in December. This is to attract more international tourists. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar informed that government has asked for the funds from the centre for the promotion of exposition. Meanwhile, Tourism Department has also decided to use machines to clean the seashores.
Goa received nearly 4 million tourists, including domestic and international, during last tourist season. This season, Goa has targeted nearly 18% rise in the tourist inflow. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar informed that Goa will promote St. Francis Xavier Exposition in Europe to attract international tourists.
एक जुलै महिन्यात थंयसर ह्या फेस्ताचे, ह्या सोहळ्याचे, ह्या उत्सवाचे लोकांक माहिती करून दिवप आनी त्या युरोपांतले लोक मॅक्झिमम ह्या खातीर येवप. एक 50-60 हजार लोक हांगा युरोपांतल्यान लोक येवप. हेज्या खातीर आमी आतुरतेन पळयता जेणे करून टुरिजम क्षेत्र जें आसा हें आनीक आमी युरोपान मोठ्या प्रमाणात पावतले.
Tourism Minister informed that department will reduce the use of plastic bottles on beaches. Department will provide 24 hours drinking water facilities on popular beaches. The plan of mechanized beach cleaning has also been proposed.
It is like an ATM, water ATM. You have to take your empty bottle and you get a pure water. Baga, Kalangut, Miramar and Kolwa. All the tourism spots you have to bring under surveillance.
Replying a media question, Parulekar made it clear that the Arihant shipbreakers will not be paid until they fully clear the underwater wreck of River Princess. NIO will be asked to submit the report once Arihant complete wreck removal. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Sushant Par.
Goa State Urban Development Agency is in the process of pumping in around 70 crores for various projects under solid waste management. Agency will distribute funds and centralize procurement to various municipal councils in order to bring awareness about solid waste and garbage management. Projects also include construction of administrative building at Sangye and Valpoi market projects.
Nothing new. Attempts have been made in the past, but this is a renewed attempt. A renewed attempt because G-Suda has taken an initiative to educate each and every council, assess their need towards waste management, provide them the necessary infrastructure, and at the same time create awareness. G-Suda, the government through G-Suda has invested a lot of money in creating infrastructure for various municipal councils. Kanakond market is nearing completion. Sangye first phase has been completed and second phase is due to start shortly. Administrative building at Sangye at Valpoi is under construction. So likewise total projects of around 70 crores are being executed at various levels in the municipal councils. Average town like Madgaon, Vasco will be given not less than 50,000 bins of 10 liters.
50,000 bins?
Yes. The trolley bins of 240 liters. Then we have given them plastic baling machine. Besides baling machine, we are also giving them a 1-ton truck, small truck.
Only Margaon or
Each council.
As per United Nations Environment Protection, 5th of June is observed as World Environment Day. Also the laborers and the door-to-door collection staff has to be motivated has to be recognized. So this day is basically dedicated to all the municipal councils and their workers, a small procession or a parade in the city, in all municipal councils, wherein attraction of public will be gathered, and we request. And in the evening there is a state level program at Taj Vivanta Hotel at around 4:30 p.m. onwards, wherein various issues will be discussed on which
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.